All right, this is at the Satellite Hotel. This is the service car. This one has not been modernized. The other two got a Kone mod. This one's still Otis. Oh boy, this might be kind of slow. Yeah, I'm not gonna take a full trip on this. This one I think is still mostly original. Well, not like original, but original from the old Otis mod. All right, we'll go up to 5. We'll keep this video brief. It's creepy down here. Yeah, this one's way slower than the passengers. Let's get the lantern. Or not. Okay, down to 2. Actually, yeah, we'll end at 2. Very tall cab. Looks like there was originally a different light and it got replaced with the fluorescent one. All right. Yar. That will be it. When it closes. If ever. Or not. Maybe it's just gonna sit open. Anyway. Oh, there we go. That's it.